Good afternoon, Hamilton Middle School parents. We want to send this short screencast to pull some highlights out for your student for the coming scheduling season. We're going to begin scheduling students next week after our winter break, so here are some highlights. First, if you are a current 5th grade student, we will not be having Stream School applications, and students will be scheduled similar to how they were in 5th grade, and we're going to give them a variety of nature-based experiences facilitated by Hamilton teachers along with help from the Outdoor Discovery Center. Our work-based learning will focus on marketing and business, and there's more information about Stream School attached to the letter that you received today. If your student is a current 6th grade student, we're going to be scheduling the week of March 2 for 7th grade. So that's something that's not listed on here. It's important to note is that there will be a survey regarding your student in band or vocal music. Please complete that. That helps us along with our scheduling process. So a couple of highlights that you will notice for 7th grade is that your student will be placed on a team of teachers, which will have 4 core teachers, and those will be the teachers that they see throughout the school year. So there will be 2 different teams as we have 8 teachers. Your students also have traditional elective options, including PE and art, and also all students will also take health. If your student is a current 7th grade student, we're going to be scheduling classes the week of February 17, which is next week. Students will still have a 7-period day. All students will be participating in a semester-long ELA and science experience with nature-based components. The work-based learning will focus on manufacturing, and students will also select a foreign language. A couple of important notes for next year's 7th and 8th graders. All students will have an advisory period. This is a time for intervention and individualized instruction and is replacing some of our elective classes. We do have high school credits available in band, vocal music, art, and PE, and there's more information in the letter that was sent home, and those credits do not go towards a GPA. If you are taking a foreign language or algebra, understand that those grades will count for your student's high school GPA. Right here you'll see a sample scheduling sheet. Each one of our students will receive this that has their PowerSchool login information along with their password, and we're going to be sitting down with each one of them to go through their class selections to ease in the scheduling process. If you have any additional questions, please give us a call or drop us an email here at the middle school, and we'll be happy to answer any questions you have. Thank you very much. Have a good day.